Now we are doing the experiment for diode laser kit. We will perform the experiment for demonstration of Fresnel's diffraction. To perform this experiment, we need an optical bench, a laser pen, a slit with multiple holes, a biconcave lens and a graph sheet. Here on the slit, there are 4 different circles and we will observe the Fresnel's diffraction pattern. First, we will pass the laser beam from the biggest hole of the slit and observe the Fresnel's pattern on the graph paper. Same procedure we will repeat for all the holes on the slit and observe the pattern on the graph. By repeating above steps, we will find the Fresnel's distance and can verify with the formula in manual. Now, we will perform the experiment for diffraction pattern using multiple slits. Double slit, multiple slit. These slits will divide the ray into the number of slits mentioned. First, we will go for double slit. We will place the slit in slit holder and pass the laser beam through this slit. As we will pass the beam from this slit, we can observe that the beam is getting divided in 2 parts. The same procedure we will repeat for triple slit and multiple slit and observe the pattern accordingly.